mangoes to communicate the economy's trees have been convention. Mangoes full, bitter dispensably or a la carte. Those are mangoes of the effective. The journey of dried mango begins with selecting the best mango from local farms.
After harvesting, mango are quickly transported to the factory to maintain freshness.
Each mango is checked to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Our team inspects color and texture, measures natural sweetness with precision instruments, weighs and labels every piece, and records the results in real time. Only fruit that passes every step moves forward.
Only the most beautifully ripened mangoes make it to the drying trays. Sensors measure color, size, and internal sweetness. Machines guide them, and careful hands confirm the verdict. When everything aligns, glow, weight, and aroma, the fruit is set aside. Only perfectly ripe mango.
The mangoes are washed carefully to remove dirt and impurities.
The mango skin is gently removed to prepare the fruit.
Seeds are separated, leaving only the edible mango flesh.
Every mango slice is checked to ensure perfect texture.
From 66 minutes. Dealing with drying tray and fee, vacuum side pouring trays. The mango slices are laid out evenly for drying.
Warm air slowly removes moisture from the mango.
Where cinnamons are in humidity locations, very husband for moisture levels that a hot slice is in theme. Careful monitoring ensures mango dries to the perfect level.
The dried mango is cooled to stabilize texture.
Only premium mango passes the final inspection.
Snip the mango is prepared into ready-to-eat portions.
Every slice counts. Automated scales measure each portion with precision. When the display locks in at 85 grams, the flow stops. Exactly. The mango moves on, sealed and labeled. Each pack contains the perfect weight of mango.
Bridgest packaging keeps mango fresh and delicious. Packaging keeps mango fresh and delicious.
For even drying. 2 precision blades glide through ripe fruit, creating long, uniform pieces that release a fresh, tropical aroma. Each slice is arranged so air can reach every surface. Consistency here means every tray dries evenly.